Hey guys, we are here today to install these EBC Red Stuff brake pads on my MK6 GTI. This is something I've been looking forward to do for a while, so as with a lot of things, slowly working my way through the build, and a brake pad upgrade was finally happening. I'm very, very excited. I've wanted to get into EB stuff since I saw them actually on Car Throttle's IS200 build when they did the green stuff pads, I believe it was, or yellow. I didn't do too well in preschool. I don't remember my colors, guys. I'm sorry. But these are the red stuff pads, which are good for the track in the street. It's a nice medium middle ground, if you want to call it. And they are a ceramic Kevlar compound that are just going to be a heck of a lot better than the stock brakes we got on there. And I'm super excited. We're doing all four at the same time. All four wheels, that is. So front axle, back axle. We're not replacing the rotors just because that would turn this less than $250 job into an almost $700 job to do rotors as well. So we have the rotors that are just on there. We're going to use those. I know it's not ideal, but the thing is, by the time that any negative effects come about from not having them mated to something new, I should be able to just do the whole thing at one time and get it done once and for all with drilled and slotted rotors, maybe even the next level up from EBC. But for now, we're just doing with this, so don't at me too hard in the comments. We run a tight budget around here, so just enjoy the video and please try not to complain too much. We're here to have fun. We're here to share the love of Christ and just have a good time and build a very uplifting community. So I'd like you to be a part of that uplifting side of the community. But we're gonna get in and we're gonna replace those pads with these pads. We're not replacing these pads with those pads. That would not be good. We're gonna do it the other way around. We're gonna get these on all four corners. It's quite a long bed-in period, so any butt dyno actual testing videos might actually be a couple weeks beyond when they'd normally be posted when I do a mod like this. So just be on the lookout for those because I want to do the testing afterwards when these are properly bedded in. We're gonna get them installed. We're gonna start with the fronts. So let's get to it. So the first thing that I actually want to do here is clean this rotor, and I'm doing it with the OG pads just so I don't ruin the new ones going on. Do it before. It's gonna get a lot of this grime off just because I want these to look really, really good. Because we're gonna have nice red stuff pads. That's actually an unintended bonus was the pads are red, so they're actually gonna match quite well. And that was very unintentional, but I'll very much take it. And that is looking much, much better there. Okay, looking nice. Now we're starting on the driver's side, which has the, the brake pad wear sensor. So that's the pad sensor off with the push-pull connector. Ta-da! Get that off there. Ow. Good stuff. I know this isn't ideal, but if you're gentle enough, you can make it work. It's a Torx bit. I need just an Allen set, gosh darn it. I think this is supposed to be a 7mm, but a T45 Torx should remove it from factory Torx settings pretty easily. If you run it a little bit too small on a Torx, it could strip the inside of the Allen, but if you take it gentle, you can usually get away with it. Brake pad falls out. Pulls out. It's got those clips on it and the sensor. Try not to let this hang. All right, we gotta push that back in now. We've got an actual press this time. You will be happy to know. All right, that's back in. Give me this bad boy. I've got the one that has the sensor on it. Oh, I'm getting way too hot in this. Where's the wrench? Where's the wrench? Where's the wrench? Where is the wrench? Where's the wrench? Found the wrench. All right, new brake pads on the front. Got aggressive with that one, that's okay. Pad sensor. Ta-da, in. So that's the front's done. We're gonna do the back on the same side, show you both front and rear for both of them while we're in here. Then I'm gonna do the other side. Might clean my tires, probably gonna bleed the brakes, do some other stuff, probably won't see that. Then we're gonna take it back out on the road. So we're gonna move on to the back. So before anyone says anything, the little clip for the front brakes, forgot to film it, but it's back on, so don't say anything because it is back. I just moved all the equipment. I was like, oh, what's this clip? Oh yeah, that's right. So now we're just at the back. And we're gonna get some new brake pads on there. Let's go. Oops, almost put myself in the face there, that's okay. I was gonna yell at the person who had these on last, but then I'm like, nope, that was me. I'll just yell at myself, that's fine. Oh, this is fun. I haven't tried it upside down yet. I don't think it'll go that much better, but you never know. Just something different for the muscles. All right. Oh, now I gotta do this on the other side too. Once I get this off. Oh, that's right. This has the parking brake cable on it too. I'm an absolute madman. The thing I told myself to do, release the parking brake before putting it up, guess who didn't do it? This guy. Oh my goodness, look at that. It works so well now. Yep, those pads are almost biting the dust. And that one, big time. So those of you who do this a lot more than I do will be happy to know that I actually have a wind back tool this time. And that is that successfully used. Hooked there. EBC pads time. Red stuff, red stuff, red stuff. back to the grind. Finally. That's the pads for the rear. So now you've seen the front and the rear done. So now you just kind of know the process, but it's just mirrored the other side. So we're gonna take it over the other side. Nice time lapse. We'll get it all done. So, wasn't as bad now that I've done the rotors. So know a little bit more of what to expect. So, other side, then we're done. Then we'll test it out. Whew, almost there. I'm currently 500 miles into the 1,000 mile bed-in process for these EBC Red Stuff pads. You can expect the butt dyno report video and a full brake testing video in a few weeks. Sorry for that. Anyways, I wanted to say thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe. Have a great day, and remember, Jesus loves you. Bye!